A video has been circulating online that many people claim shows the interstellar object 3I Atlas drifting through space. At first glance, the clip looks mysterious and almost poetic. A glowing form moving smoothly through darkness, as if alive. The movement feels organic, fluid, and strangely captivating, which led many viewers to believe they were seeing real astronomical footage. But something about it doesn't line up with what actual telescope data should look like. So what is really going on here? Is this the first close-up of an interstellar visitor, or is the internet once again confusing scale and context? The clip first appeared on October 27, 2025, posted on X, formerly Twitter, with the caption, "New 3I Atlas footage just dropped." Within hours, it spread widely, gathering thousands of reposts. Even automated image recognition systems began tagging it as Interstellar Comet 3I Atlas, reinforcing the claim. But professional astronomers quickly became skeptical. Real deep space footage always contains specific characteristics: visible background stars, light scattering noise, exposure trails, and in the case of comets, some form of coma or tail. This clip had none of those features. The lighting was too uniform, the movement was too smooth, and the background was completely empty. Something felt off. Fact-checkers from Lead Stories launched an investigation. Using reverse image search and metadata analysis, they found that the clip did not correspond to any known astronomical source. There was no link to NASA, ESA, or any observatory currently monitoring 3I Atlas. To understand what the clip actually showed, researchers consulted microbiologist Professor Jack Gilbert of the Scripps Institution of Oceanography. His conclusion changed everything. The object in the video is not an interstellar comet at all. It is a paramecium, a common freshwater single-celled organism. Under a microscope, paramecia move by coordinating While the viral clip captured global attention, its origin was far more humble. A single drop of water under a microscope, not the vastness of deep space. It serves as a clear reminder that context is everything, and without it, even the smallest thing can be mistaken for something extraordinary. Yet ironically, the real 3I Atlas requires no fabricated visuals to be remarkable. It is already one of the most important cosmic discoveries of the decade. Detected on July 1, 2025, by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Hawaii, 3I Atlas became only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed, following Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I Borisov in 2019. Its extreme velocity and open hyperbolic orbit confirmed that it originated beyond our solar system and will never return. For astronomers, 3I Atlas is a natural visitor from another star system, material shaped under a completely different sun, billions of years ago. Observations from NORLAB's Gemini South Telescope and the European Southern Observatory revealed a faint coma and tail as the object warmed in sunlight, characteristics typical of comets. But chemically, 3I Atlas stood apart. Spectroscopic studies detected unusual ratios of carbon monoxide and water ice, suggesting that it formed in a much colder region than the early solar nebula that shaped the comets we are familiar with. Today, each interstellar object provides scientists a new reference point for understanding planetary systems beyond our own. By comparing their compositions, researchers can infer how different environments influence the formation of ices, minerals, and organic molecules. In this sense, 3I Atlas is a sample from a distant, ancient neighborhood of the galaxy. Yet the viral clip overshadowed these genuine scientific revelations. While it had no connection to the real object, it highlighted a striking coincidence. Patterns repeat across scales. The fluid motion of a paramecium under magnification can visually resemble dust and plasma drifting in a comet's tail. Both follow principles of fluid dynamics and light scattering, though in entirely different physical contexts. This resemblance teaches two lessons. Nature echoes itself across scales, and science depends on evidence, not appearances. Real discoveries are grounded in data, observation, and peer review, not anonymous clips. The true value of 3I Atlas lies not in spectacle, but in the questions it helps us ask about our place in the universe. Its significance will continue to grow as new instruments track its trajectory and evolution over time further, Misinformation spreads faster than verification in the age of social media. Online platforms reward engagement, novelty, and emotional reaction, not accuracy. That's why content like the viral clip thrives. A short, mysterious video paired with a bold claim can circle the globe before experts even have the chance to examine it. Even AI systems designed to summarize content sometimes repeat false captions, unintentionally amplifying misinformation. This is where fact-checking and scientific transparency become essential. Organizations such as Lead Stories, Reuters Fact Check, and agencies like NASA, ESA, and NOIR play a critical role in maintaining the integrity of science communication. When genuine astronomical discoveries are made, they release images, spectra, and orbital data publicly so that anyone can verify what is real. For curious observers, the habit is simple. Always trace a claim back to its source. If a video or image does not originate from a known observatory or mission, it's worth pausing before pressing share. Meanwhile, the real 3i Atlas continues its journey through the solar system. In the coming months, it will be observed by the Vera C. Rubin Observatory and NASA's Sphere-X mission, which will collect detailed measurements of its composition and brightness. These observations may determine whether it behaves more like a typical comet or a rocky interstellar fragment, a question still under study. Over the next decade, astronomers expect to identify dozens more interstellar visitors. Together, these objects will form the basis of a developing scientific field, interstellar planetology, the study of materials formed in other star systems. The viral video was a momentary distraction, but the real 3i Atlas remains a profound scientific opportunity, quiet, distant, and authentic. While the video turned a microscopic organism into a cosmic traveler, the actual interstellar object is still moving silently across space. It reminds us that curiosity fuels discovery, but truth is what defines it. And remembering this always helps keep exploration honest, thoughtful, meaningful, and grounded in reality.